Hey, so let's get rid of more stuff. So we have my wired keyboard here, which I wired up by going all the way back there. But time to replace that. Wireless, Bluetooth, mechanical keyboard with LEDs. $75, I think. It shipped in like 4 days. I bought it 4 days ago, I think. Let's unbox, review it, and see how it goes. It's 60%, so it has no F keys or numpad. The F keys I'm a little bit sad about, but we'll see. It should be good. It's just so I can type and stuff without having to fight with wires. Like this is also wireless and stuff, like my mouse. So it's gonna be very useful. So see how it goes. So here's the box that it comes in. I've heard much good things about these, and I will explain which one I got. And you can use like a smartphone app for the LED lighting. It's closed. It's actually boxed pretty good. So this is not something professional. This is something from Banggood. Oh, I can already hear it click. But so many people have said oh, you must gotta see how small that is. That is so small. That's cool. Alright, and it comes with a Bluetooth dongle, if I'm right. I've asked them and they said it does. So we have, yes, there it is. We have the Bluetooth dongle and the wiring is really nice. That's nice sleeve cable. So that's the box. I'm gonna put that aside and get the keyboard out. I'm gonna grab the tripod. So the Bluetooth dongle is actually gold plated. I don't know if you can see that. But I've decided to keep this one around, so the latency will be less. So I plug the Bluetooth module in, and that should give me a very nice connection with the keyboard. Oh, that's loud. So yeah, let's unbox this. So like I said, the cable looks really nice. It's like rubber, and this is pretty cool about having the dongle here. If it's empty, I can just charge it from here as well. So I can still use it wired if I have to. It's pretty heavy. Oh, that looks very clean. It's very minimal, let's say it like that. But I've never ever typed on a mechanical keyboard in my life, so let's try this. Oh, that feels very easy. I thought I would have to push really hard, but that's actually pretty easy. That feels natural to me. I don't know why. I can type really fast on this. But let me figure out how to turn this on and if there's better. Oh, you can see there's like white rubber under it. And this is fully customizable. So you can order different keys, order different membranes. I bought it with the blues. Yes, I have the blue switches under there. And the lighting can be controlled from the keyboard, but you also get an app on your phone, and it's so customizable. If you think these new Corsair RGB fans are customizable, this one leaves it in the dust. You can do so much stuff with it. But I haven't figured out how to turn it on. There must be an on switch somewhere, and I don't know if even batteries are in there. There's a reset button, I think. Maybe I have to charge it, but... Alright, so what I found is you have to connect it with USB while having the USB dongle connected. So I have it in the computer back there just to set it up, but you have to connect them both and then it shows up as a Bluetooth device. And now you can see the number and it would show up on the keyboard as well. It hasn't now because I messed up. So now I have to type 088478, enter. And now it's connected. So now I have my keyboard connected by Bluetooth and the battery is pretty empty. And as you can see, it's lighting up and it's in the settings menu actually. So I'm going to disable that. But right now it's, hang on. So now it's wirelessly connected to the dongle. And if I press something, you get your RGB light show and it keeps flashing it around. And with the FN keys, you can pretty much do any settings. So this is the list with stuff you can do I found on Reddit. So like if you press the FN key with RGB, you can change it on and off. And you can change the speed. I'm not sure if I put it faster or slower now. This is faster. That's slower. Yeah, this is faster. And you can change the brightness of it. So you can make it really dim or really bright. Let me change the mode real quick. Now I can change the brightness better. It's really dim now and it gets brighter now. So here we have some more RGB goodness, and with mode you can change it now. This is red. It's like a flame right now, I think. No, these are the ons, but on my camera it shows like that because I film at a high refresh rate. You have like flag colors. You can completely customize this to make it your own. This one changes colors. This is the RGB one I showed before. This one is when you type, it lights up the keys in different colors that you are using. That's pretty cool. This one does the same, but it keeps it lit up and changes the colors once you've done it. That's cool. And what else? That one was funky. Oh, when you press something, it makes like a wave. Cool. Multicolored, but and changing colors when you press it, I think, or just changing it around. Oh no, it's just going about it by itself. And it's really not even that disturbing or something. It's like really subtle, but it looks really good. And now we're back at red again. Yeah, the rest I'll have to do with the program. This is more yellow. I'm gonna need to make my lime green because this is too green. For now I'm gonna keep it on the wave because I actually like that one. This one, yeah. And it's connected, so I have been typing the whole time, so yeah, it's completely working. So I can, like, if I change to my WordPad, hang on. So now I can type Bluetooth, and the battery is almost empty, and I think it has some indicator with the lights, but I haven't looked it all up yet. But for the grip, it's really not moving at all. I can push really hard and then it starts moving. It's not going anywhere just by bumping into it. That's really dope. So I have to pick it up a little to move it. But what I like is, first of all, it's wireless. That's of course nice. People have said that they tested the delay and it's not that bad. I'm not a gamer, so I don't even care. But the cool thing is I can just, this is also the table I eat on and stuff. So this is in my living room and I watch movies here, so I can just do this. And I have my table space, and I also built my mods here. So I can always just move that and quickly Google search something, pick it up, put it there, no wires. And that's really useful, and I'll keep this around, and I could just charge it because there's a plug here, and the cable is even very nice quality, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, very useful, very nice keyboard. I like it. I'm not sure how long the battery will last. I have heard it lasts a long time, but I'll see. That's the price to pay with wireless keyboards. And you can see it just turned off. It does that to save power. It has Bluetooth 4.0, but people said you can actually change that setting too. You can keep it always on, which will of course degrade the battery, but if I press a button it will turn back on and I can just use it. So yeah, I really have to get used to the noise. I have always had like these laptop type of keyboards, and I came from a laptop, so this is really noisy for me. I will have to see how that goes. Maybe if I can't bear it, I'll switch the switches out for like silent ones. I heard brown's a little bit more silent or something, but the keyboard is pretty awesome. The colors are really nice. It's really subtle. That's really nice. And from here, I'll just review them real quick in darker. Let's hang. So here we have my mouse with the RGB mouse mat, and ta-da! Still not bright. Very nice. It's not like it's shining up. It's very subtle, and if I'm looking at the screen I don't even notice it. But yeah, I really recommend this one, to be honest. The Bluetooth, and it includes a dongle, and it costs $75. It's really nice. So yeah. And you get your RGB goodness, and you can customize it. I can't really review the app since I record with my iPhone, so I can try something, but yeah, there's another guy on YouTube who has a nice review of that, so you can watch that. This is just my personal opinion, and it looks very good, and you can customize it a lot. You can make your own color profiles and set up individual keys and what they do and blah. But what I try to do is I might need the FN key, so I might try to find something where I can switch the number pad with the FN keys. I think it's possible that I can toggle between those, so if I need to type a number I could use FN keys, but for now I have to use the FN keys for the F key, so that's pretty dope to us. It's pretty dope though. So that's the N Pro made by Obins, and I really think it's cool that they include like a very nice braided cable, which is really thin too, and Bluetooth dongle with Bluetooth 4.0. So, and this one, and they also include, I think this is something where you can guide the cable through, but I'm not sure where to put that. But yeah. Quick update, I actually found out if you press both Alts together, it will lock the F keys. So then pressing these will be F1, F2. Pressing again both Alt keys will revert back to the number. So that's very easy. I will put this whole documentation into the comments, and it explains it all pretty much. So that's pretty awesome. So that was my video on the N Pro. A very cheap wireless mechanical RGB keyboard. Very nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.